Hey everyone, welcome back to Melbeezee Kids. I'm AJ.
And I'm Vanessa.
And today we'll be doing another Eat With Me! Mukbang! Woohoo! Today we will be doing... Today we'll be eating In and Out burger. Quality you can taste.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
let's show what they got. Or we
what
got. I got a double burger. Wow.
And then,
what did you get?
And then I just got a regular burger. And it has onions and cheese and spread and meat.
Wow. I have pink lemonade to drink.
I have chocolate milkshake to drink.
And we also have
some
well done fries. Oh wow, very nice.
Then we have some spread and ketchup.
Oh.
On the side. Sounds crunchy.
Let's eat. Because I'm so hungry.
Yep. Put some ketchup. Because I love me some ketchup.
This is our first In and Out Eat With Me. I thought we did one before, but we did not.
Should I just put it here? And then maybe some spread.
I'll also take a bite of burger.
Oh, there's a little pulley thing. Oops, not too bad.
Silliness. My burger is a plain Jane, which means that there's no like lettuce or onion, only cheese and spread. Okay, we eat now.
Putting them next to each other.
Alright, very good. Just like I remember it.
Should I put this?
There's still some in there.
Yeah.
You can squirt some on my plate.
Here.
Or I can do it.
I touched. Mmm. Okay, burger time. Very good.
Mm-hmm. And the fries are good and spread too.
Yep. Look, I dipped some in the spread, some in the ketchup.
You dip in both?
Yeah, I switched them off.
Oh. You don't mix it?
No, I haven't tried that.
Dare you.
You dare me? Okay, look. Has both on it.
Oh no.
It tastes okay.
If you don't know, well done fries are on the secret menu.
I Okay.
Yeah. Well done fries are just regular fries, but crispier. And I like to get it because it's crispier.
Yeah. Well done means it's crispier. So we'd like to get it more crispy. You like to dip your fries in this bread?
Mm-hmm. Recently, we just watched Coco for the first time because we got it on DVD.
Yep.
And we've watched it almost every day.
Did you see that?
I think your burger's upside down.
Yeah. That one's very crunchy. Like a chip.
You know what I want to watch after this?
Coco.
Yep.
Did Daddy tell you how we went to Target and it was not open?
Oh yeah? Just tell it to them.
Okay. So he was dropping me off to school, and I usually get there really early. So he decided to go to Target. And he didn't know it opened at 8, and it was like 7:30. And then he was doing this at the door. And he looked inside me. He said, "Hey, it's not open." And then he looked at it and he said, "Oh man, it opens at 8." You know how it's automatic? He did like that to wait. He was waving at it, but it didn't open.
That's funny. How did you not know it opened at 8?
I don't know.
Is your burger good?
Mm-hmm.
You miss In-N-Out?
Yeah. Even though I got it when I was gone, when you guys were gone. I love it.
I got it when I was gone too.
Really? Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot you got a double. That's why it looks really
Big.
big.
You know you can get like a 3x3. And I think the highest is 4x4.
What the? That's a little too much. I don't think I can do that. I can't even do double. Or actually, I haven't tried. Can you do a 10 by 10?
Not bad. A double is this big.
But 10.
I don't think that exists.
Oh. That's too bad.
The two buns won't even hold down the meat patties.
And then you're carrying your 2 car and it falls over.
Yeah. See, it's not useful.
It actually tastes good with both of them together.
Maybe what you do is you take 10 meat patties and then just like ground them up. And then add the cheese. That's basically what it is, just crushed up.
If you basically want like a big burger, like one big burger.
No, you only eat it from like a bowl.
Oh. I don't know.
I just realized I finished my burger.
What the heck? You must have been hungry.
Yeah.
And you're almost done with your fries.
Yeah. We did a lot of stuff this morning. We were looking for some new toys, but they didn't have any.
How sad.
Yeah. I went to like 3 stores.
Mm-hmm. They said they had it. Like,
No.
did you hear they had it?
Well, one guy at Toys R Us, he said that they had it, but they weren't gonna put it out until April.
Oh, that's a little crazy. I'm almost done.
Very nice.
Very natural.
Well,
Crunchy. Crunchy.
sometimes they're not that crunchy. Like chip crunchy.
Yeah. That one's chip crunchy. I took some of the onions out. It was a little too much.
Oh.
Those ones look like they're almost burnt at the bottom.
Yeah. We were supposed to do a McDonald's mukbang,
Oh yeah.
but then we wanted In and Out.
Yeah.
Maybe we still do that. Like next week.
Or just when we do our next mukbang.
That's what I said.
Yeah, but we don't do it every week. Or
Last week we did Del Taco.
oh.
Silly Vanessa. Did we talk about Black Panther yet?
No, all I said was Coco.
Oh.
Coco.
Oh, last week we watched Black Panther.
It looks pretty good.
What happened?
There's a strange monster over there.
Oh, Wakanda Forever. I'm actually in that movie. I play the Green Chameleon, but I'm invisible in most scenes, so can't really see me. I'm there. I went there.
He went there. I usually finish my burger?
I don't remember.
Because I finished it.
Very good. Are you full now?
Oh, you're asking me?
Yeah. What would I ask? Me?
Yeah.
I'm the only one
Oh,
here.
am I full now?
And then I say it out loud.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Out of 10, what do you rate it?
10.10.
I rate it 10.11.
20.
So that was the end of our Eat With Me / Mukbang. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment what we should eat next, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.